Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting Xcode installed and signed in. This unlocks the simulator. Once done, open Xcode and choose Open Developer Tool Right Arrow Simulator, or press Command Space and type Simulator to launch it quickly. Make sure your Mac meets RAM and disk requirements so the emulator runs smoothly. A slow machine causes dropped frames and failed installs. You should already have your Apple ID in Xcode, so provisioning and device selection work, without extra prompts. Now you pick the right device and OS image so your app runs in the intended environment. Once selected, run your app from Xcode with the simulator target or drag an app into the simulator window. For CI, use Xcode'thy install and Xcode'thy launch. While it boots, configure hardware options, rotate, toggle in-call status, or set a simulated GPS location. Make sure to enable Connect Hardware Keyboard when needed, and use window right arrow scale to match your screen. You finish by validating behavior and collecting evidence. Run through feature flows, set breakpoints, and watch the console output for exceptions. Once satisfied, take screenshots or a recording from the file menu for bug reports, export logs if needed. If something breaks, first try device right arrow erase all content and restart the simulator. If issues persist, delete Xcode-derived data, reboot your Mac, and confirm command line tools match Xcode. That one reset often clears stray provisioning and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.